The full moon peeks out from the clouds as Doc coughs on the constant smoke from the Nazis' grenades, telling Rivers that he doesn't feel any different. Talby says in a muffled voice that he has a promise to keep. One by one, the men turn into different versions of werewolves. Just after they all turn, the Nazis breach the door. The cell door is kicked open, and the wolves step out. Reinhard, in horror, orders his team to fire, but it makes no difference. One by one, the Nazis are picked apart, until there is only Reinhard left. Doc towers over him,